Welcome to CyberNexus. Dive into our comprehensive course on digital forensic and cybersecurity, designed to equip you with essential skills to protect and investigate in the digital world. Whether you're a beginner or looking to advance your knowledge, this course covers everything from cybersecurity fundamentals to advanced forensic techniques. Join us and become a guardian of the digital realm. Our focus today will be on these 5 cybersecurity subjects. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the process of protecting networks, applications, sensitive data, and users from cyber attacks. These attacks are malicious attempts by individuals or groups to gain unauthorized access to systems, steal information, disrupt operations, or cause further harm. Common types of cyber threats include phishing, malware, like ransomware, social engineering, and denial of service, DDoS, or distributed denial of service, DDoS, attacks. Why is cybersecurity important? Cybersecurity is crucial in our daily lives because it protects us from various online threats and risks. Here are some reasons why cybersecurity is important. Personal data protection. Cybersecurity safeguards our sensitive information, such as passwords, credit card numbers, and personal data, from being stolen or misused. Financial security. Cybersecurity prevents financial fraud, identity theft, and unauthorized transactions, ensuring our money and assets remain secure. Online safety. Cybersecurity protects us from online harassment, cyberbullying, and exploitation, creating a safer online environment. Device and network protection. Cybersecurity secures our devices, computers, smartphones, etc., and networks from malware, viruses, and hacking attempts, preventing damage and data loss. Business and career protection. Cybersecurity is essential for businesses and professionals, as it protects intellectual property, customer data, and reputation, ensuring continuity and success. National security. Cybersecurity plays a critical role in protecting national infrastructure, defense, and sensitive information from cyber attacks and espionage. Privacy. Cybersecurity helps maintain our online privacy by controlling who can access our information and how it's used. Reputation. Cybersecurity helps protect our online reputation by preventing cyber attacks and data breaches that can damage our personal and professional reputation. Compliance. Cybersecurity ensures compliance with regulations and laws, avoiding legal and financial consequences. Peace of mind. Cybersecurity provides assurance and peace of mind, allowing us to use technology and the internet with confidence. Common cyber threats. There are various types of threats. Here are a few examples. Malware. Malware is a type of malicious software designed to harm or exploit computer systems, networks, and mobile devices. In cybersecurity, malware is a significant threat that can cause various types of damage, including data theft and breaches, system crashes and downtime, unauthorized access and control, financial loss and fraud, reputation damage and intellectual property theft. Common types of malware include viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, spyware, keyloggers. Malware can spread through phishing emails and attachments, infected software downloads, vulnerable network connections, infected external devices, USB drives, etc., exploited vulnerabilities in software or hardware. To protect against malware, use antivirus software and firewalls, regular software updates and patches, strong passwords and multi-factor authentication, safe browsing habits and email practices, backup and disaster recovery plans, security awareness training and education. 2. Ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malicious software, malware, that encrypts a victim's files or locks their device and demands a ransom in exchange for the decryption key or unlock code. It's a form of cyber extortion. Here's how it typically works. Ransomware infects a device through phishing, exploited vulnerabilities, or drive-by downloads. It encrypts files, making them inaccessible to the user. A ransom demand is displayed, threatening to delete or permanently lock the files unless a payment is made, usually in cryptocurrency. The attacker may provide a decryption key or unlock code after payment, but this is not guaranteed. Ransomware can target individuals, businesses, organizations, government agencies. Types of ransomware include encrypting ransomware, e.g., WannaCry, NotPetya; locking ransomware, e.g., Locky; doxing ransomware, threatens to publish sensitive data. To protect against ransomware, regularly back up data. Keep software up to date. Use antivirus software. Avoid suspicious emails and links. Implement security awareness training. If you are a victim of ransomware, it's essential to isolate the affected device. Seek professional help. Avoid paying the ransom, as it encourages attackers and doesn't guarantee file recovery. 3. Social engineering attack. A social engineering attack is a type of cyber attack that manipulates individuals into divulging sensitive information or performing certain actions that compromise security. Attackers use psychological tactics to exploit human vulnerabilities, rather than exploiting technical vulnerabilities. Common social engineering tactics include phishing, fake emails, messages, or websites that appear legitimate, aiming to steal login credentials or personal information. Pretexting. Scammers create a false scenario to gain trust and extract sensitive information. Baiting. Attackers leave malware-infected devices or storage media in public areas, hoping victims will plug them in. Quoting. Scammers pose as authority figures, creating a sense of urgency to prompt victims into divulging information. Whaling. Targeted attacks on high-level executives or officials to gain access to sensitive information. Smishing. SMS-based phishing attacks. Vishing. Voice call-based phishing attacks. Impersonation. Attackers pretend to be someone else to gain trust. To protect against social engineering attacks, be cautious with links and attachments. Verify authenticity. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. Stay informed and educated. Implement security awareness training. Phishing. Phishing is a social engineering attack where attackers send fake emails, messages, or websites that appear legitimate, aiming to steal login credentials. Obtain sensitive information, e.g., credit card numbers, personal data. Install malware on devices. Phishing attacks often mimic trusted sources, e.g., banks, popular services, create a sense of urgency, use convincing language and visuals, contain malicious links or attachments to avoid falling prey. Be cautious with links and attachments. Verify sender authenticity. Watch for spelling and grammar mistakes. Use two-factor authentication. Keep software up to date. 5. DDoS, distributed denial of service. A DDoS, distributed denial of service, attack is a malicious attempt to overwhelm a website, network, or system with excessive traffic, rendering it unavailable to users. Here's a breakdown. How it works. Attackers control a network of compromised devices, bots. Bots send a massive amount of traffic to the targeted system. The system becomes overwhelmed, causing it to slow down or crash. Types of DDoS attacks. Volumetric attacks, e.g. UDP floods. Protocol attacks, e.g. SYN floods. Application attacks, e.g. HTTP floods. Signs of a DDoS attack: slow website loading or unavailability. Increased latency or timeouts. Unusual traffic patterns. 04. Impact of a cyber attack. The impact of a cyber attack in cybersecurity can be significant and far-reaching, affecting various aspects of an organization's operations, finances, and reputation. Some potential impacts include financial losses, theft of sensitive data or intellectual property, data breach, exposure of sensitive customer or employee information, reputation damage, loss of customer trust and confidence, operational disruption, system downtime and service interruptions, legal and regulatory consequences, non-compliance with data protection regulations, intellectual property theft, loss of trade secrets, and competitive advantage. Physical harm to individuals or infrastructure. Business continuity, impact on business operations and continuity. Customer trust, loss of customer trust and loyalty, competitive advantage. 05. Cybersecurity best practices for individuals. Use strong, unique passwords in a password manager. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, whenever possible. Keep software and operating systems up to date. Be cautious with links and attachments from unknown sources. Use antivirus software and a firewall. Regularly back up important data. Use a VPN, virtual private network, on public Wi-Fi. For organizations, implement a cybersecurity framework, e.g. NIST. Conduct regular risk assessments and vulnerability testing. Train employees on cybersecurity awareness. Establish incident response and disaster recovery plans. Use encryption for sensitive data. Implement access controls and segregation of duties. Continuously monitor for security breaches. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe CyberNexus, share, and like this video. Stay connected for more videos.